Hey guys and girls, and welcome back to another video, and today I'll be talking about a show I did in December of 2019 for Shopfront Arts Co-op. The show was called The Unknown by the junior ensemble group, where I did sound design and operation. Additionally, I will be talking about the set design and the line design as well. Let's get started. Set design. To start off, I will talk about the amazing set design designed by Frankie Clark, a friend of mine. The set consisted of a gold curtain hung up on bar numbers LX 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The curtain was hung up with gaffer tape which kept on coming loose, but we made it work. There were two different sets of stages used. One level around 50 centimeters off of the ground and another level around 27 meters above the ground. Lighting design. The lighting design was achieved by Frankie Clark using a total of 23 DMX dimmer channels. The dimmers used were 3 of the Gen VI dimmers from LSC. These are new dimmers which I've never seen before, which allow you to control the dimming curve of the lights as well. The lights were connected to these 3 dimmers through 19 of the 30 patch points located on the ceiling of the theatre, and 4 of the 10 patch points on the floors. A DMX 5-pin cable then led downstairs from the dimmers to the desk, which we used. We used a Strand 520i console to control the lights, with an additional hazer made by Strand Lighting for haze effects throughout the show. As you can see, the haze effect really played off in the end, as well as the fabulous lights. There were 2 house cycloramas with 1000 watt bulbs inside for house lights over the audience as they were walking in and out, and also for people who have special needs. The rig was made up of many different kinds of lights and gels inside them. The main facials were made up of 5 1K ramas with Lee 502 coloured gels in them. There were 2 additional 1K ramas with Lee 200 gels in them for when the actors go into the unknown. There were 4 house cycloramas on the floor on H stands, with 1000 watt Osram bulbs in them to wash the gold curtain and to light it up. These lights had no gels in them at all, and were the same as the house lights used in the ceiling for when people walked into the theatre. There were 6 chrome park cans with Lee 201 gels for a general wash over the stage. Another 3 1K ramas were used to wash the curtain as well from above. There were also 12 additional 650 watt lights facing directly down with Lee 201 gels inside to create an eerie atmosphere on stage. The haze added to this effect to make it feel more eerie. There were also a number of other lights to wash the stage in a general wash, which were a combination of house lights and other lights brought in from other sources. Sound design. Sound design and operation was done by me. We used some old stock JBL speakers and only one dual 24-inch subwoofer turned down. They were connected to an old amplifier and then to a Mackie CFX 16 mixer, which was then connected to an iMac through a 2.5mm jack to a single RCA cable. I was running QLab on the Mac as shown here. The QLab file was very complicated to create as there were over 60 cues with multiple instances of tracks stopping and starting. There was also a projection running from the QLab file starting and stopping a clock at time to indicate when timeless moments were occurring. We used a new Hitachi projector, which I've never used before, but I didn't get any footage of this due to time constraints. The video was running from the iMac through a VGA cable up to the projector, located on the ceiling. Actors. There were 10 actors all aged between the age of 8 and 14. They had only spent 2 terms on their performances, and some of them had less time to work on it. They all did a really good job with their performances. as you can see here. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it interesting and informative. Do not forget to subscribe and watch my other videos here. If you have any other questions and concerns, please leave them in the comments below and I'll respond to them as quickly as I can. Also, there will be an equipment list in the video description below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.